That's pretty toasted though, bro.
Yes, I like it like this. Yes, I like it crunchy, like chips. Very good. You should try it sometime. It's very good. Over there in India, we do it like this.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Very toasted.
Yeah.
Yes. Tuna, what are you doing?
Tuna. Never seen that before.
Wait, I want tuna. What are you doing? Hey, listen, I want tuna for me, please. That's my wife's. She likes it like this. Black olives. More black olives, please. Little bit more. More black olives. Little bit more, please, for me. A little bit, one more time. Yeah, that's good. You think you can toast it one more time for me? One more, yeah, and then toast it one more time.